Our Bhimasena and Duryodhana, even after they are grown up, they never stop their fighting. Every day, 5 o'clock in the morning, they put on the alarm, and as soon as they wake up, they will be runs towards each other, and as soon as they meet, they start their fighting. So today also, 5 o'clock in the morning, as soon as they wake up, they ran towards each other. As soon as they met, they start their fighting. So you may ask, so what is so different in that? This is what happening every day now. There is. What is that? Today, they introduce some cathartic improvisation into their fighting. Oh, what is that? That is, today when they started fighting, they started to walk also. When they started to walk, they travelled all over the world. London, Paris, New York, Amsterdam, China, Punjab, Sindhu, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravida, Utkala, Vanga. Finally, when they reached at Anga, Duryodhana looked at Bhima, Bhima looked at Duryodhana, Duryodhana also tired, Bhima also tired. They both looked at each other and said, okay, let's take a break. So they broke. So while they are breaking, Duryodhana started to sing a song. So Bhima looked at Duryodhana and said, Duryodhana, don't take a risk. So Duryodhana stopped it. So silently, when they are sitting, they saw someone coming towards them. They looked at that person, and that person came nearer and nearer and nearer. They saw a poor woman going towards the paddy field. They stopped her. Hey, you, stupid. Hey, you poor woman. Hey, you must tell us who is the strongest man. Is it Bhimasena stronger than Duryodhana or Bhimasena stronger than Duryodhana? Our poor woman looked at them like this and said, aha, so you two want to know who is the strongest man. I am very sorry, because I have no time to spend for such silly things. And because I want to go to the paddy field, give this food to my husband and go back home and look after my children and look after my cows. So I have no time to spend for such stupid matter. But if you insist, I will do you one favor. Okay? First I will go to the paddy field. Then I will give the food to my husband. When he finished eating, I will repack the food basket. And when I am walking back home, I will be able to tell you who is the strongest man. Duryodhana looked at Bhima. Bhima looked at Duryodhana. Both of them are tired. So both of them looked at her and said, okay, show your palm. So our poor woman showed her palm. And Bhima and Duryodhana started to walk towards her palm. Red salute. And don't push me, Bhima. I be Duryodhana. Don't let me go first. I'm first. So poor woman taken Duryodhana and Bhimasena and the food basket and started to walk towards the paddy field. While she is walking towards the paddy field, let's have a little look into her palm. Bhimasena don't like Duryodhana. Duryodhana don't like Bhimasena. Bhimasena given a pinch, Duryodhana given a kick, Bhimasena given a bash, Duryodhana taken Bhima's gada and thrown out of her palm. The war began. Meantime, our poor woman reached at the paddy field. She given the food to her husband. While he is eating, she went and looked around the paddy field and found lots of leftover jobs left in the paddy field. She went and finished all the leftover jobs left in the paddy field, came back, sat near her husband and started to talk to him about children's problems, cows' problems, environmental problems, GDP problems, COVID problems, and sort out all the problems in the world and repack the food basket and started to walk towards her home. While she is walking towards her home, one more call. Hey, you cheat. You poor woman, you said that you are going to tell who is the strongest man. Is it Bhimasena stronger than Duryodhana or Bhimasena stronger than Duryodhana? Our poor woman looked at them like this and said, aha, so you two are still stuck on that old problem? You have nothing better to do in your life? I am disappointed. I am furious. Do one thing. Both of you step out from my palm and stay there. Like this. Okay. Stay there. And like this, she walked back to her home. So finally, what happened to Bhimasena and Duryodhana? As usual, they continued their fight.